Hi everyone! So for today's video, ayan, nakita ko nga to, ang daming shape ng Christmas tree. Kailangan lang ng decoration. So this one is, I think, original, and it is kasi, ayan yung ano niya talaga, ayan diba? Share ko lang to, ayan. Ang daming shape dahil Christmas season na. They most of the time shape the trees like this one for what you call attraction, tourist attraction. So lakad tayo going there. So nakakapagod. So ayan, medyo bilisan ko na ng bongga. Ayan siya, shape. Kailangan lang sana ng decoration, pero medyo magastos nga lang dahil syempre ang dami lang i-decorate. So just a simple shape of the tree, Christmas tree, will be enough to attract the tourists. Ayan. Yan siya. So ito din, I don't know what kind of shape this one, but anyhow, ganito lang. So ayan. Ayan, napaka-peaceful and relaxing. Ito pala yung golf nila. Dito po kami nag-visit sa Wheaton Malt House, the provincial original area here in Australia, New South Wales. So malaki ang Australia, kaya may specific ko kung saan talaga yung location, kasi some wants to visit this one. Ayan, yun yung golf. I-shoot nyo lang sa butas. Ayan siya. Meron ng nakaabang. So anyhow, ayun po. Sana nagustuhan nyo at nakapag-relax. At sa mga nanood, thank you po. Ayan, diba? Ang daming shape ng trees. Christmas trees. Oh. More on green nature and very good environment and people. So ayan, that's the parking. Yan siya, trees pa more. Thank you po for watching. Ayun, may ibon.